The Spectrum TV app guide is your gateway to channel listings and on-demand content. To access it, locate the guide icon within the app's main menu. This icon is typically represented by a grid or list symbol. On mobile devices, the guide icon is usually found in the bottom navigation bar. Tap it to open the guide. On smart TVs, the guide is often mapped to a dedicated button on your remote control. Press that button to access it. Once opened, you'll see a display mimicking a traditional TV guide, but with interactive elements. It lists live channels, on-demand content, and integrated streaming options like Hulu and Netflix if you subscribe to those services. Channel listings are updated dynamically, reflecting your current subscription tier. Make sure you have a stable internet connection of at least 10 Mbps for optimal HD viewing. Once the guide is open, navigate channel listings by scrolling up and down. Listings are typically sorted by channel number or genre, such as news or sports. You can view program schedules up to 14 days in advance. To search for specific content, use the search bar, which employs algorithms to query Spectrum's library of 200-plus live channels and 100,000-plus on-demand titles. Search functionality allows you to filter by genre, network, or keyword. The app uses keyword matching and fuzzy logic to account for typos. As of 2025, Spectrum uses AI for recommendations based on your viewing history. Voice search is available via Siri or Google Assistant. For example, say, "Show me cooking shows on Food Network."